Hello everyone, welcome to sa Chuck Benguet podcast part 2, and I am Marjorie Wakit, your host for today. I am with
Nika Jane Marzan.
And Dan Remina.
and our topic for today is what are the challenges as a working student. Our first question for today is what motivated you to be a working student?
For me, I needed to support my parents financially during my education because I know that they can provide everything, and that's why I entered, or I decided to work. I decided to become setter, performing artist, part-time setter.
For me, since I'm living with my uncle, he supports me for my academic financials. And that is not enough for me because, college student, we have too many expenses. That's why I choose to work as a service crew. And then, that's it. I just want to help my uncle also because he supports me for my academic.
And for me, I am a working student as a crew because for my personal expenses, because I am last child and my parents are old, so I choose to work as a service crew.
My typical day in life was to wake up in the morning and prepare. After that, I'm going to school, and after my class, I'm going home for me to get my rest. And after resting, I'm going to work. That's my typical day in my life.
Oh, the same with Micah. I wake up early and then go to school. After school, go to work. After work, going home and then get some sleep. And wake up again and then doing my activities. After activities, going to work. After work, going home for rest. And then wake up early again. Then going to school. Just like that. Every day. That's my typical day. How about you?
Our last question is, how do you manage stress from juggling both responsibilities?
I'm always checking my time schedule. My working hour is from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. and then I'm going home late. That's why it's hard to prepare. It's hard to wake up on time.
And for me, my working time is 8 p.m. to 1 a.m. And our first subject is 7 a.m. So it's hard for us to wake up early in the morning.
Yeah.
I know that juggling both responsibilities and work is very stressful. For me, managing my responsibilities and my work is very hard and stressful because that's why I need to organize my time well. I know that juggling responsibilities and work is very hard and stressful. That's why I always listen to music, and through singing, I was able to cope up and release my stress.
You do? Can you give us some? No.
And I always eat with my friends, talk about
Nice.
our lives, and
Day-to-day experiences like that.
yes, about our experiences, having fun together with families, friends, and that's how I cope and how I manage my stress.
Perfect.
For me, I am sleeping,
Sleeping.
stress sleeping,
Yeah.
or sometimes stress eating, and that's all.
Great answer.
What food? What kind of food are you eating with?
It depends.
It depends.
Oh, yes, on my taste.
and
Like
mood.
you do eating samgyeopsal like that or
Nope, I'm not
bulalo,
eating.
free chop suey.
I'm not eating
kidding.
like that.
Alright,
What
that's
would
it.
you advise for the working students or incoming working students?
Oh, so you're going to
My advice for you guys that is planning to work while having their education is don't because it's very hard. If someone or your parents can provide things, stay away from work because work is always waiting for us after
graduation.
after graduation. After graduating.
For me, if you guys going to work as a student, you should think if you can,
You should prepare yourself.
prepare yourself if you can or
You
not.
can.
Of course, because once you enter that work, you don't have a choice but to go with the flow.
Once you've working will distract you your studies.
That's why you need to check if you can or you can or not. And then what else? What else, guys?
Sometimes it distracts your studies because you prioritize your work than your studies.
Because other students. Yeah.
That's all for today. And thank you for watching. God bless.
So guys, that's it. And thank you so much for watching. Of course, don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll keep updated with the Shadzak Benguet next updates. And of course, since this is the second episode of our podcast, we would like to get some example of your singing skills because you're going to talk about Benguet songs, right?
Yes.
Oh, so
That's why guys you have to stay tuned in order for you to watch my
that's it. Bye guys.
Bye.